Gonna go open up camp. First time in camp since if I can make it up the snow here. Holy moly, we got some snow. But yeah, we're gonna open up camp today. At least go in, see what the damage is over winter time. But yeah, this tree fell down, or I should say that they had to cut it down because it was up on the power lines from a big windstorm this winter. But yeah, this is my camp. Can't fry potatoes. All right. Not what I wanted to open the door to, but my freezer that used to sit right there, which is now out there, decided to quit. Yeah, not a good thing to open up camp to, but at least it wasn't too terrible bad with the smell. But yeah, it's not what I wanted to happen. But you know, a little tour. Can't fry potatoes. One bunk room here. Big wall of sheds back there. View out the back window. And out here to the living room / dining room. Yeah, probably turn on some lights here, probably make it a little brighter. Little wood stove there. And back here to the back room, which is like the indoor toilet if you need to go, and a shower. And that's about it. No TV at camp. One of the deers. Back bedroom. Yeah, this is inside the camp. And I'll go outside here. Yep. Old wood shed. We'll take a walk down here to one of the spring runoff creeks here and see how much water is flowing. View of the property. You know, if you guys like seeing things done in the woods, I do a number of things. Pretty soon I'll be leech trapping, minnow trapping, and then yeah, it's starting to melt here. Do a lot of fishing, brook trout fishing. Gonna do some bear hunting, running bear baits, a lot of trail riding, partridge hunting, you know, of course a little bit of deer hunting. Pretty much a whole line of things I do in the woods. I'll bring you guys along. If you guys like and subscribe to the page, will definitely give me a reason to keep doing this stuff. You'll have to bear with me because I'm still learning. Long ways to learn with this YouTube stuff and recording everything. So but yeah, definitely subscribe to the page, and I'll keep doing what I do out here in the woods and showing you guys. The winter snows are flowing. This is mid-April right now, and yeah, things are starting to melt. Breakup is here. Won't be long, we'll be complaining about the bugs and the heat, which is a good thing. You know, our seasons are only a few months long, and then we get to jump into the new seasons. And you know, if you look at it, we'll be in fall weather and fall activities in about 5 months, and then we'll be back to winter all over again. So yeah, life in the 906. yeah, we have a lot of seasons, so that's that keeps us going. Yeah, things are starting to flood, which that's normal. We get a lot of snow. I think we're around 200 inches for the winter, which is about normal, you know, looking at what the records are. And but yeah, things are starting to melt. How you guys doing? Yeah, this is just going to be a channel of me showcasing everything that I do in the woods. Everything from leech trapping, minnow trapping coming up. And then summertime we do a little bit of ATV and still leech trap, but side-by-sides, running bear baits through the whole bear hunting thing. You know, more trail riding, just what we do. We got a lot of projects coming up for this winter, or sorry, this spring and summer. So, you know, just hang out, enjoy what you see. If you like what you see, definitely like, subscribe, make comments. Definitely give me a reason to keep doing this stuff and showcasing everything that there is to do up here in the 906. We're on the western end of the UP of Michigan. Yeah, so it's yeah, like, subscribe. Things will start getting better as I get better doing this. I'm just an old guy that loves being in the woods, and you know, the editing is going to be all new to me. This whole filming, everything, yeah, everything about it. So you know, in your comments, tell me what you'd like to see, what you don't like. Yeah, just you know, show me some love. I'll just keep doing this, and we'll go from there. Thanks, everyone. Yes, I'm using an electric chainsaw for these projects here. They're kind of nice to use. Yeah, this tree fell in a windstorm and fell on the power line that runs to the camp, so they had to come and cut it down, so I got to finish up the mess. Mother Nature sure likes to make messes, but hey, gives us something to do. keeps us busy. About a year ago, yeah, almost exactly a year ago, I had rotator cuff surgery, torn bicep, so I'm about a year out. I'm all right, you know, I'm living life, so part of getting old. Running bear baits and slipped. Down I went, you know. It's didn't wake up that morning thinking that was going to happen, but you just never know when something's going to happen. You just got to get out there and live life, make things happen. Tell I'm a little out of breath. Just recently quit smoking. You know, I'm going on 5 days right now, no smoking. So, yeah, hopefully I can keep at it, live a healthier life maybe, and go from there. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but the sandhill cranes are back. Bunch of ducks, bunch of geese around. Spring is here. It's yeah, and there's a mess cleaned up. All piled up there. Yeah, a little back black history. Been a hunting and fishing guide pretty much my whole life, all over the country. Moved up here to the UP about 10 years ago. I actually lived in the camp here for about 5 years, and then decided to take over a motel and a bait shop, so I have that going on top of all the other things I do in the woods. You know, you'll probably hear a bunch of stuff that doesn't make sense to you, which is, hey, it's me. I'm not an expert at anything. I'm pretty good at a few things. I make a lot of mistakes. I learn from them. I'm wrong every day. So again, just bear with me. Sometimes my opinions doesn't match other people's, but hey, that's why we all have opinions. And yeah, it's just life in the big woods. Someday, in the next few years, I more than likely will be back out here at camp living, and doing everything out in the woods. It's where I belong. I'm getting older now, so you gotta go out and live life, and yeah, make things happen, and just enjoy it. So that's a little history of me. Yeah. So again, you know, make comments. Tell me what you'd like to see. Anything special. If I'm doing something that you don't agree with, yeah. You know, it's again, that's why we all have opinions. I'm not an expert cutting trees. I'm not. I just do my thing and make things happen. So, yeah, I'd definitely appreciate if you guys would leave a comment, like, subscribe. Let's get this page going. Yeah, and I think you guys will enjoy the things I do in the woods. It's very peaceful. Um, yeah, it's a different look at a way of life up here in the UP. Um, you know, the 906 can definitely be brutal at times, but if you don't let it control you and get out there and live life, it'll be a good time. You know, old saying up here, there's always tomorrow, and that's so true. You know, we during winter time, oh, it's the wind's blowing. I'll go fishing tomorrow, and next thing you know, the month in the winter, and you haven't fished at all. So, and I get like that too. But point is, you gotta just go out and make things happen. Life is short. Yeah, that's about. Sorry about my little rant there, but yeah, get out there, live life. You'll see a lot of can't fry potatoes in the videos. Just a lot of stuff in the woods. I just fell. You might say, oh, there's a lot of boring stuff, but hey, you know, some people enjoy on the side-by-side trips or snowmobiles, whatever, you know. Again, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Yeah, let's close camp up for today. Yep, that's it for today. Definitely hard to do stuff during breakup. A lot of times you can walk on the snow, but as you see, I just fell through. That's pretty much up to my knees. Yeah, we still got a lot of snow. It's melting, but definitely got some snow.